Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Asana dependencies and blocked tasks configuration step by step clearly. Open your Asana project where you want to verify dependencies and blocked tasks. Locate the task that you want to check for dependencies. Click on the task to open its details pane. In the details pane, scroll down to the dependencies section. Check if any tasks are listed under dependencies. If tasks are listed, review their titles to ensure they align with your project goals. Next, verify if these tasks are marked as complete. If a dependency is not completed, note it down as it may block your current task. To check for blocked tasks, look for the Blocked By section in the same details pane. If there are tasks listed that are blocking your task, review them as well. Ensure that you are aware of the reasons these tasks are blocking your progress. Next, go back to your project overview. Look for any overall visual indicators of task dependencies or blocks. Use Asana's timeline or board view for a clearer visual representation. In the timeline view, zoom in on the tasks to find any overlaps or conflicts. If conflicts are found, assess whether you need to adjust deadlines or reassign tasks. After reviewing all dependencies and blocked tasks, update any necessary information. Communicate with team members involved in the blocked tasks for further clarity. Ensure that everyone is aware of their roles concerning dependencies. Finally, revisit your project regularly to keep the dependency status updated. By following these steps, you can efficiently verify Asana dependencies and blocked tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.